Hello, I'm Lobsang. I'm going to little bit share about my English online class, and my teacher name is Ma'am Zainab, and she teaches me on online from New Delhi, and she's a great teacher and it's very nice. So I'm very happy to find her as my teacher. So I took a English online class because of I'm trying to improve my English and improve my English vocabulary, also English basic, and also English skills. So that's why. So she teach very good and very teach friendly. So I'm very happy to this class. So that's it. So I hope I will become a good English speaker and also good in English. So I'm doing my best. Okay, then that's it, and thank you.